This is going to be a video tutorial on how to insert equations in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To insert equations into Microsoft Word, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab, click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, you want to go off to the far right-hand side, down to where you see the symbol section, and in the symbol section, right here is equation. I'm going to click on the drop-down right under equation. That gives me a list of several pre-made equations. I can choose between one of these. You can change, if you insert one of these, you can change everything about it. Or you could go down to the bottom, down to where it says more equations from office.com. You can pick from one of these equations, and the same thing, you can change any part about it. You could go down lower to where it says insert new equation. I'm going to click on insert new equation. A little box will pop up. It says type equation here. Up above there, you can see now there is an equation tab, and I have all these symbols here. I could choose one of these symbols. There's a drop down right here. I could click that drop down. I could choose one of these symbols here. Off to the right side of the ribbon, you have fraction. If I click on fraction, I could choose one of these fractions here. You could put whatever numbers you want in these spots. It has script, radicals. But that is how to insert equations in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.